Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can craft a seed and grow a garden. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you can go to this location, cosmetics or crafting location, and then I'm going to click on crafting, select receipt. Okay, and for example here I'm going to craft lingonberry, and these are the item that we need to craft this lingonberry. We need 3 blueberry seeds and horsetail and also shekels. Okay, I'm going to click on it and click on craft. Okay, I'm going to submit my blueberry seed. Okay, click on the blueberry and submit item. Okay, and the next one I'm going to submit blueberry as well. Oops, sorry, I have already submitted the blueberries. And then the next one I'm going to submit my horsetail. Okay, wait, I have just harvest my horsetail. Okay, this one, and I'm going to click on submit item. Okay, and click on start crafting, and we need shekels as well. Okay, and now it's still running, and we need to wait for 15 minutes to get the seed. Okay guys, and that's all the way to craft a seed and grow a garden. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.